Alright, so we found these pesky little buggers. These were not plugged in, but they go to the power button, so I'm assuming they need to get plugged in. So let's get those plugged in and try this again. And of course, they go all the way back there. Yo, I have no idea why, but that was the hardest part of building this entire PC. Why? Why was that the hardest part? I have no idea. But putting on individual little tiny baby pegs underneath this massive GPU and in between all these fans, terrible. That was awful. So bad. Don't recommend. Alright, so now the moment we've all been waiting for. So let's click that. Alright, we should get some lights up there. We did just plug in those down there. And... yeah, there we go. That's what I'm talking about. Yeah, that is beautiful. That's beautiful. Love it. Just fantastic.